In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix toolbar missing in Google Sheets 2025 guide. If your menu bar or toolbar suddenly disappears in Google Sheets, don't worry. This is usually a display setting or browser behavior, and you can bring it back in a few quick checks. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser so you can try each fix right where the issue happens. First, exit Google Sheets' own full screen mode. This is the most common cause. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus F. This toggles the Sheets menu visibility. If it was hidden, you should immediately see the menu bar and toolbar return at the top. If you still don't see it, try showing the menu manually. Look to the top right of the Sheets window for a small down arrow icon or a button labeled Show Menus and click it. That restores the classic menu items across the top, including File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Data, Tools, Extensions, and Help, along with the formatting toolbar beneath. Next, check if your browser itself is in full screen, which can hide app controls. On Windows, press F11 to exit the browser's full screen. On a Mac, move your cursor to the very top of the screen and click the green full screen button in the Windows title bar to toggle out. When you can see your tabs and address bar again, check if the Sheets toolbar is back. If the toolbar still seems cramped or missing icons, reset your browser zoom. High zoom levels can push UI elements off screen. Press Ctrl plus 0 to reset to 100%. You can also use your browser menu, open zoom, and choose reset to 100%. Then glance back at the top of Sheets to confirm the toolbar has space to display. If the problem persists, temporarily disable browser extensions that modify web pages. In Chrome, open a new tab and go to Chrome/Extensions. Toggle off ad blockers, UI customizers, and dark mode extensions. Then refresh your Google Sheets tab and see if the menu returns. If nothing changes, you can re-enable them. Clearing cache can also help if an outdated script or style is stuck. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. Choose to clear cached images and files and confirm. Once that finishes, reload your Google Sheets tab and check again. Finally, try incognito mode with Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Sign in and open the same sheet. If the toolbar appears here, that points to an extension or cache conflict in your regular window. Work through these in order and your Google Sheets toolbar should be back. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.